5 pros of front-load washers. If you're choosing between a front-load and top-load washer, watch this. Number 1. Superior cleaning. Front-load washers use a tumbling motion that leverages gravity to remove stains and spots more thoroughly. Number 2. Water saving. Because of the more efficient tumbling motion, less water is needed, making them water and energy efficient since less hot water is used. Number 3. Dryer clothes. Water drains out of clothes more easily with a tumbling motion. Number 4. Gentle on laundry. Many front-load washers can safely clean silk, wool, and other fabrics that usually require hand washing. The agitator in top-load machines can be harsh on clothes. Number 5. Space saving. You can stack them with a dryer, saving valuable space in your laundry area. If you need a new appliance, visit townappliance.com. We've been in the appliance business since 1979, and our experts are always ready to help.